Hi everyone, Jack and Miso from 英作文会話 here again. And today we are talking about the top 3 things that Japanese people do that foreigners think is weird. So recently I got together with some of my friends from different countries all over the world, and we started talking about things that Japanese people do that we think are weird. So today I want to share the top 3 that we came up with. So let's get started. All right, so the first weird thing that Japanese people do is shower at night or take a bath at night. And this might sound very strange as a Japanese person, but actually a lot of foreign people shower in the morning. So for us, it's very strange to think that you would shower at night. So I'll use myself as an example because I always shower in the morning. And the reason for that is very simple. Bedhead. When I wake up in the morning, my hair is crazy, right? So I get in the shower and I make sure my hair is washed and clean and I dry my hair so it looks nice for the beginning of the day. But let me know in the comments, why do Japanese people shower at night? My friends and I weren't really sure why this is a cultural thing in Japan, so I'd love to hear it. All right, the second strange thing that Japanese people do is breakfast. So let me be more specific. It's that Japanese people don't seem to eat out for breakfast. In America, there are so many different restaurants that serve breakfast. But in Japan, there really aren't any restaurants that serve breakfast. Maybe a couple cafes and McDonald's, but really that's all. It seems like most Japanese people eat breakfast at home. And to foreigners, especially to Europeans who like to have breakfast out at restaurants. So for us foreigners, it's very confusing why Japan, who has such good food and loves restaurants, doesn't have any breakfast options. So again, let me know in the comments, why are there so few restaurants that serve breakfast here? All right. And the third strange thing that Japanese people do is they don't blow their nose. So let me give you an example. Oftentimes I will see Japanese people on the train or in public constantly doing right? Maybe they have a little bit of a runny nose, but they never blow their nose, right? Just and as a foreigner, this seems a little strange. Now, I know it can be seen as rude to make a loud noise and blow your nose, but actually in America, it's a little bit childish to keep going. So when I see that, I think, this person needs to blow their nose. Why don't they just blow it? And talking to my friends from other countries too, they thought the exact same thing. So in our countries, it's not rude to blow your nose. Actually, it's a little bit impolite to not blow your nose. So yes, those are my top 3 things. Showering at night, eating breakfast at home, and not blowing your nose in public. Does this list surprise you? I would love to know in the comments what you think of this list, and I'd also love to know what are things that foreigners do that you think are weird. But that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to practice your English more, you can sign up for a private lesson with me at any time at eisakubunkaiwa.com. Your first lesson is half price, so give it a shot. But that's going to do it for us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.